have done democratic strike on the BJP party Sangh Parivar. And sir, after massive aggressive campaigning by the big guns like big faces who have landed in Hyderabad city of also
इतना बड़ा गन यहाँ बैठा हुआ है, तुम्हारे को वही गन दिख रहा है? हाँ, तोप है ये? क्या बात कर रहे हो आप गन गन क्या बोल रहे हैं? हम क्या वो है बरमार है? क्या बात कर रहे हैं? अरे क्या, अरे छोड़ दीजिए. देखिए, see the BJP said that we will do a surgical strike on Old City. The BJP said that there are 30,000 Rohingyas in voter list. The whole campaign was focused on the people of Old City, and the people of Old City have replied to them, have told them that you cannot demean the people of Old City in this way. And they have given a proper befitting reply to BJP, and that is why you see in Hyderabad Parliament constituency, the BJP have lost badly as far as MIM is concerned, and I'm thankful to the people of Old City. And please stop using these terms like big guns, that gun, this gun. What is that gun? This is democracy. Gun will not work, ballot will work, and that is why. And if you are saying gun, हम कोई कम है क्या? हम भी तो अरे हमको क्या बोलेंगे आप? क्या बोलेंगे? कैनन बोलेंगे? हाँ वो बोल लो, बिग फेस छोटा फेस वाले चलता, बट ऐसा नो को बोलो आप गन है. अब you see your love for BJP comes out when you ask me a question, so I cannot stop you for that.
So, but if they've seen 100% increase from last year, how do you see that big jump from the BJP?
Yes, it is. Yes, it is a verdict given by the electorate of Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation, but I am not privy to the affairs of BJP or TRS. But I can tell you, as a student of politics, that K. Chandrasekhar Rao is a formidable political face of South India, and he represents the ideology and hopes and aspirations of all the Telanganites, of their regional Telangana feeling. And I'm sure that he will look into all what wrong has happened. And the little I know of KCR, I'm sure that he will rectify those things, and he's still the face of Telangana and its ideology.
No, sir, you as an MP of Hyderabad, how do you see this jump? That is what I'm asking, because you have seen this for decades now. So how do you see this jump all of a sudden?
See, we have seen these jumping jacks. Jack in the box always happen. Doesn't matter. It has happened, but as far as I am concerned, we have contested 51 seats. So what is that saying? One bird does not make a summer. So it doesn't matter. They will. People of Hyderabad are very sharp, very shrewd, and I'm sure that this is just a one-time victory for BJP in municipal elections, though they can claim everything now because they have won some seats. But definitely in the long run, you will see that things will definitely improve, and their increase, which you are saying jump and whatever it is, but it will not. It will come down.
Sir, well, this formula will be implemented in the West Bengal, as you also said about Assam and Kerala and Tamil Nadu.
No. As far as contesting in West Bengal is concerned, I am free from the elections of GHMC. I will speak to my people from West Bengal, and then we'll decide what is wrong in contesting. You must contest elections. A political party must contest elections. We know. See, I am not afraid of losing elections. I have said this many times, and we'll decide what to do. Anything else? Thank you so much. Good night.